smells like it's leaking off inside this wall here. Behind me.
I don't know. I just tell it or it ain't windy as it was a minute ago.
No, the wind.
Every time I start recording, it stops getting windy.
Goes between just not blowing at all and then picking up again.
Now they're showing stuff on the hurricane on the TV. Now it's getting windy. I don't see where the damn wind's at though. Got all kind of coverage on it.
Water rescues in North Carolina. Drone video now shows Newbern underwater. There's so many in the dark hours.
Newbern's underwater, the whole town's underwater?
Yeah.
Like you can't even see the rooftops now?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I can't hear shit out there. I mean, like, the wind was blowing earlier, but it ain't like it. It ain't like it was when I started trying to record it. It just, the winds died down. Every time I start recording, the wind dies down. When it gets beating against the house, it's when I want to record. I know the windows.
That window again,
I know it's been leaking.
We can't even freaking turn that damn AC back on because it'll leak off that flood.
I know.
Catch the house on fire.
It'll be all right. It ain't that damn hot in here.
I hear it leaking off in this wall behind me here.
I'm about to get out from under this blanket though. It is getting kind of warm in here. I can't believe it's still warm this time of year. It's hot for hurricane to be going through all that rain.
In Arkansas, it's hot all that through freaking Halloween.
It's usually warm around here till then too, but usually when it gets rainy weather, it gets cold. At nighttime at least, you know, it's 2 in the morning. It should be cold by now.
Here in Arkansas, it's when it was freaking Thanksgiving and it was hot outside.
Look what it's saying on the news about it. We gotta get rain till Wednesday. Then Wednesday it's supposed to be sunny, so it's supposed to be gone by Wednesday.
What part of South Carolina are we in? The northwestern corner? Damn, it's just
yeah,
that window.
We're in the northwestern corner.
That fucking cop didn't do shit.
We're in the northwestern corner. That's why we're hardly getting any of it. We're in the best area to be in. I can't see the temperatures on the phone. Ain't bringing it in good enough.
I mean, shot that 1.5 inches to 2 inches, alright.
Yeah, I heard him.
All right, Dale, thank you. Right now, the death toll continues to climb. So far, 14 people have died, including an infant. That is 11 in North Carolina and 3 in South Carolina.
14 people have died.
Yeah, 11 in North Carolina and 3 in South Carolina.
Including the infant. That's insane.
Yeah, it was a lady and a baby and a tree fell on the house. Crushed them. Wind blew a tree over on the house.
What was that?
I don't know. What you think?
I think it's probably one of them rats.
Mm-hmm. So you need to go and pick down some of those damn glue traps. Motherfuckers trying to get up in there after our food.
I want to see.
That bread's up on the counter. Can you put it on top of the fridge?
Yeah.
They can't climb on top of the fridge.
Ooh.
What?
He went under the sink.